So today we're going to be acid washing this pool. We're going to be removing these calcium spots. How I remove these calcium spots like this is I have a multi-tool with a diamond bit. I just come over it. And I just smooth it out. And I'll get all these spots off, then I'll do the acid wash. And then we got a couple rust spots we got to cut out and patch. One there, one over there. So what we'll do is we'll get all these calcium spots first, then we'll hit the rust spots, and then we'll finish up with the acid wash. And then we have some tile to repair, like see these ones right here. But we'll repair those tomorrow. We'll cut it right here, pop it off, put a new one in, grout it in. And then we got one that's on a corner right there where it's just cut out of 45. We'll fix that up too. But that's what we're doing today. We're also going to replace that drain right there with the safety one. What else? That's it for this one. So I'm going to keep grinding on all these because there's a lot of calcium spots. I got to grind all those off real quick. This is how a spot looks. And then this is after using the tool. And then what I do is I get the hose and I wash it off. And that removes that spot, so when I come with the acid, it's able to just make it more of a smoother color and just not all those spots. So you gotta get all those calcium spots off before you could even start your acid wash. Okay, I'm done grinding off all the calcium spots. Before I do the rebar, I'm gonna acid wash the whole pool because the new plaster that I patch it with will be white, and I can get rid of that rust and really see what spots I have to cut out. Well, just on that one. On this one and that one, I just gotta cut out, fill the rebar and replaster it. But this one, I wanna remove that first. And the new plaster is gonna be white anyway, so I wanna do the acid wash first right now. Okay, so I've acid washed the pool. I still have some calcium spots, so I just go over those with a grinder. And then on this area over here, I don't have any more spots because I've already gone over the grinder. It takes almost like 2-3 passes to get everything, and then you just rinse with water. If there's a little bit of brown, you just sand it down some more. I'm also working on these patches. I found a piece of rebar there, rust spot. Another rebar, you just find the rebar, cut it out. I'll probably get some more of that, and then I spray it with some rust reformer, and then I also use Easy Patch 7 over the top of that, and then white plaster. So I got that spot, and one more spot to do over there. Then I got to change the main drain and pump the last of the water, vacuum up the last of the stuff, and also we're going to redo that step with some plaster. Oh, also you got to cut out this piece of rebar, the one that was rusted up, and then spray that. This is a pool where we did some plaster repair. There's a patch right there by that hole. You can't even see where we cut out the rebar and redid the plaster right there. And we also did one over here where we had to cut out another piece and we patched it. You can't even see that one either. We redid this whole step right here. And we have one more over here where we did a patch. Can't see that. We also had acid wash this, and it had a bunch of the calcium spots where they were like brown and popped up, but you can't even see them anymore either. This is a really good job. It just cleaned this whole pool up, turned it all white again, because it had 3 spots of rebar where it's bleeding through, so we had to cut those out, seal them, and redo it. But it turned out really good.